Without you, what would I have? What would I be? I can't imagine existing in a world where someone doesn't love the way you do. You're the only one who ever understood me, and I said to me, for who I am. Your love always has been and always will be life's greatest gift to me. Lost in the rain, in your eyes I know I found the light to light my way when I'm scared, losing ground. When my world is going crazy, you can turn it all around. And when I'm down, you're there to speak to the top. You always there giving me all back. For the ship, for the storm, for a friend, for a love to keep me safe and warm. I turn to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, for everything that's true. I turn to you. When I lose, know you win. I just race to you and take you risk this time again. I can do anything. 'Cause your love is so amazing. 'Cause your love inspires me. And when I need a friend, always on my side. Live for the shield, for the storm, for a friend, for a love to keep me safe and warm. I turn to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on, for everything you do, I turn to you. I'm to be my shelter from the rain, for the truth there never change. For someone to love, for a heart that can belong to anything. For a sheep from the storm, for a friend, for a love to keep me safe. I turn to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on, for everything is true, for everything is true, for everything is true. I turn to you. Yes, Hobby, I always turn to you. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.